Hello. Some stormy weather heading to the UK over the next couple of days, particularly so on Thursday. That is when we are most concerned. The Met Office has an amber "Be prepared" warning in force for the strength of the wind from Storm Doris. Now, there's already an area of low pressure well to the north of the UK, zipping along, bringing some gusty winds for the next 24 hours. But it's really out in the Atlantic where we're keeping our eye on this. This is the developing Storm Doris over the next 24 hours. And then as we move through Thursday, the storm moves across the UK. A lot of isobars on the chart. Very, very windy, but also the potential for heavy rain. And yes, some places will see some snow. Let's get back to the rest of Tuesday because it's a grey day across the south. Outbreaks of rain, particularly in Wales. We'll see further pulses of rain for Northern Ireland, Western Scotland as well. Some brighter skies across eastern England and eastern Scotland, but any sunshine disappearing here as the cloud spills in. The breeze also strengthening through today, but still bringing mild air across the country. Not quite as mild as Monday, but still double digits for most of us. And then the winds strengthen further through the night. We'll start to see some very gusty conditions, particularly through the second half of the night across the far north of Scotland. This band of rain tracks southwards. A wet night for northern England and North Wales. Further south, some drizzly rain and very mild once more. Further north, it'll turn colder again. Cold enough for the showers to have some snow over the hills across Scotland. And don't forget, the winds here potentially causing some problems over the Northern Isles. Gusts of 75 miles an hour through the night and first thing on Wednesday morning. A very blustery day then here with plenty of showers, but there'll be some sunshine across Northern Ireland, Northern England. Further south, it's another rather drab day with rain over the Midlands, Wales, maybe not too much on the south coast. And again, here it will be quite mild, double figures, but further north, there'll be some sunshine, but temperatures only 8 or 9 Celsius. And add on that wind, it will feel even colder. Now, the winds continuing then to strengthen later this week, particularly on Thursday. The risk of those severe gales from Storm Doris and heavy rain may well be causing some problems. And for some places, particularly at the moment, looking like across parts of Scotland, there is also the added threat of some snowfall. There are warnings in force. We will continue to monitor the situation. We will continue to keep you updated. The warnings will always be there on the Met Office website.